Rachel, live clearing, permission to connect with your youngest. You feel like they're having some little entity interference. Permission to connect with your little one, yes. Okay, I'm gonna just look at her while I know this sounds creepy, but I'm gonna observe her sleeping and see what happens. Okay, so she has a toy. It feels like it's maybe at the end of her bed that is acting as an entity portal. A lot of things that we have in our homes can be infected with portals or vortexes or even entities. And this isn't to spread fear, because it's just part of life here. And by awareness, we can have sovereignty over these situations and not be in the dark from them anymore. And this is why it's really important to use bioshields and shield things before coming into your house. I always cleanse things before bringing them in and like shield everything. So I'm going to take out the portal of this toy. I don't know. It looks like kind of a tower, but I might just be seeing the energy of it. Take out the entities that have used this portal. Okay. And this is a tricky one where it's set to regenerate. So as soon as the portal is closed, it has mechanisms like a day or months or whenever later, it'll pop itself back open again. It's like a jack-in-the-box energy. That is released. And I'm going to watch her for like a whole month essentially and see what happens to this. And I'm going to go into a year. And it looks all quiet. Looks good there. Did she get attachments on her from this? Yes, they were coming out and attaching to whomever they could in the home. A lot of gifts that I get from family are very infested with curses and all kinds of stuff. So you just have to be careful. A lot of them may not consciously know what they're doing, but subconsciously they do know, or they could have, a dark spirit in them that is kind of working behind the scenes to contaminate some of these things. So just clear any entities that attach to her because of this. Okay. You hear me yawning and stuff.